Hello students, today we will talk about how to get international loan in the USA. First of all, there are some questions you can say that you should always careful evaluate how much money you will need to study in the USA. Then you will need to research and apply for scholarship, financial aid from your school, and find money from any other source including family funds. After exiting these avenues, most international students still have a funding gap, and that where international students loan come in. What is an international student loan? Federal student loans are popular with US students studying in US, but they are not available to international studies. Instead, international students are eligible for international students loans, specialized private education loans available to the international students studying in the US. International students loans are now a very realistic way to finance your education in US. Loan are very flexible and can offer loan amount high enough to pay for your entire education, but with extended repayment terms and reasonable interest rate, so you can offer the repayment after your graduation. Cosigans. Most international students apply for loans must use as US cosigner in order to apply. A cosigner a cosigner is legally obligated to repay the loan if the borrower fails to pay. The cosigner must be a permanent US resident with good credit who has lived in US for past 2 years. The consignor is often a close friend or relative who can assist in getting credit, since most international students cannot receive credit on their own. If you are not able to find a consignor, see if there are no consignor loan available to you. Interest. Interest is an additional amount charged by a lender on the top of principal amount that has been borrowed. The interest rate is computed using a benchmark rate plus a margin, with the margin being contingent on the credit worthiness of the borrower on their consignment. To whisper benchmark utilized to determine the interest rate for international students include the prime rate and soft secured overnight financing rates. What is prime interest rate? The benchmark is inflected by the federal fund rate, which is established by US Federal Reservoirs. It serves as a basis for leading rates in the market and is often utilized in the calculating the interest for loan providing to individual borrower and businesses. So the soft security overnight financing rate is an interest rate benchmark that is administered by the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. This benchmark is based on the transaction in the Treasury repurchase market where bank or investors borrow or loan treasuries overnight as a risk-free overnight funding rate, so far including data for a wide range of marketing participants, making it more transparent and representative of the prevailing market conditions. It has been adopted as an alternate to the LIBOR benchmark, which has faced certain controversies in the past.